We're going to perform some tests to see if the alkaline water ionizer is working properly. So let's turn on the water. Okay, and let's choose the purified setting first. So in this setting, alkaline water ionizer doesn't ionize the water. So this is just going to be purified water, like a regular tap water. We put it on the left. Now let's choose acid setting. And for demonstrations, let's choose the lowest possible, so it's C2. This is acidic water. And now let's choose the highest alkaline water, which is A4. Okay. So we'll have from left to right purified water, acidic, and alkaline. This is pH drops that come with the machine, so you can test it from time to time yourself. And I'm going to explain the results shortly. Okay. As you can see, the tap water is green color, which is around 7 pH, which is neutral. The acidic water is 4 pH, and that's how it's supposed to be. And the highest alkaline level is 10 pH, which is the highest. So the machine is working just fine, and thank you for watching.